Hello and welcome to a new Python tutorial series video. Today we are going to discover a new function which is built into Python called sort. As the name suggests, it can be used to sort lists based on the values they contain. So let's take, for example, A equals, let's say 3, 5, 7, 4, 2, 6, and 1. If now I write a.sort and press enter, that will automatically sort the values of A in ascending order. So if now I call A and press enter, you can see that the values we wrote earlier in the list are now in ascending order. But now, what about if we want to reverse the order? Well, that's actually quite simple. Let's start again by creating a random value called b, and that can again be equal to 3, 5, 7, 4, 2, 6, and 1. Then we can write b.sort, but also include reverse equals true. If we now call the variable b, we can see that it has indeed been sorted in reverse order. This also works if we have strings. For example, we can write C equals hello, for example, boards and star. Again, if we write c.sort and then call the variable c, we can observe that the sort function has ordered the strings alphabetically. But what if we want to order them according to their length instead? Well, no worries. All we need to do is write a support function. We can go on the left-hand side and say def length of e, and then we can say return len of e, very simply. Now we can run our code to make sure that the function is included, and then all we do is write c.sort key equals length. Okay, make sure that it's key equals length without parentheses, so just the name of our function. Now, if we call our variable c, you can see that it has correctly been sorted based not on alphabetical order, but rather on the length of the words contained within it. With that, we have come to the end of the episode. If you'd like to learn more about the sort function, I've left a link for you in the video description. Otherwise, if you have any questions you would like me to answer or suggestions for future videos, then please don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. As always, if you're enjoying these videos, then please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you all next week for another fun video. And until then, happy coding!